Let's join Luna and Leo on their creative adventure, as they learn about the power of imagination and friendship.
Luna and Leo in a world of art, where colors blend and imagination starts.
Luna learns the value of creativity and the magic of imagination.
Magic paintbrush with colors so bright, bringing dreams to life in the dark of night.
Luna and Leo's friendship and creativity take them on incredible adventures.
Painting adventures with colors so bold. Luna and Leo's imagination never grows old.
Luna and Leo learn to work together and find a solution to save their artwork.
Stormy night with wind so strong, but Luna and Leo's art can't be wrong.
Luna and Leo's artwork is admired and celebrated by everyone.
Art gallery where masterpieces shine. Luna and Leo's art is truly divine.
Luna and Leo learn to appreciate different art styles and the value of healthy competition.
Art competition where creativity flows. Luna and Leo's art is a masterpiece that grows.
Luna and Leo's adventure teaches us about the power of friendship, creativity, and imagination.
Masterpiece with colors so bright. Luna and Leo's friendship shines with delight.